duck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quit moving. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I got to start over. Okay, let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys. 1, 2, 3. It's a little hard to count them. Right now I'm kind of standing on like a foot of hollow ice. And yeah, I already broke that over there. Not really fell into it, but kind of. See, the trick is you just got to kind of like get them while they're distracted. And then you just got to kind of, right, lean. Make like it's just a camera. I'm just a camera guy. Okay, hold on. Went. And you! Gotcha. Well, come here. You're not a duck. Well, get over here. Come here. Come here. Don't be mean to the ducks. Come on. The goose kind of just shoves them out of the way. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Maybe my energy's off. It's probably the energy. They can sense me. Yeah, the energy's different. They can sense me. I don't know why. What's wrong with you today? You especially. Afraid? I guess something spooked them today. That's probably what it is. When they're right at my feet, but as soon as I move towards them, they're running. I guess maybe it was with the geese that they don't no. Do I smell bad?